In this simulation model, we have a PCB manufacturing line where finished circuit boards are packed into boxes, and once a box is full, an AGV needs to pick it up and transport it to its destination. Programming this AGV transport logic manually is a complex task. The control sequence needs to do the following things. First of all, it needs to request a free vehicle from the AGV pool, navigate it via markers to the pickup point, load the box from the conveyor, drive via markers to the drop-off point, unload the box, and finally return to the parking position where it will be ready and waiting for the next transport order. Writing all of this correctly in SimTalk from scratch takes significant time and deep expertise. This is where the Copilot comes in. Instead of writing the code manually, you can simply describe the entire sequence in plain, everyday language, just like explaining it to a colleague, and paste that prompt into the Copilot. Within seconds, it generates the complete, ready-to-use SimTalk code for the full AGV transport sequence. And this is not just a simple one-liner. It is genuinely complex control flow correctly implemented in SimTalk, covering every step of the route, the load and unload operations, and the return to the parking position. When copying the generated code directly into the AGV transport method, the simulation runs perfectly. What would have taken lots of time of manual coding is done in seconds. The Copilot understands your intent, speaks your simulation language, and produces production-ready logic, so you can focus on engineering, not syntax.